Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to disable the password strength meter in WooCommerce. This can be useful if you prefer a simpler checkout experience or want to give customers more flexibility with their password choices. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, log into your WordPress account if you haven't already. Make sure you're signed in with the credentials that have administrative access to your site, as you'll need full permissions to make these changes. Now that you're logged in, we need to access the theme editor where we can add custom code. Look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on Appearance. This will expand a submenu with several options related to how your site looks and functions. From these expanded options, click on Editor. This takes you to the Site Editor, which is where all the theme customization magic happens. Once you're in the Site Editor page, direct your attention to the left side menu again. Here you'll find an option labeled Styles. Click on it, and the menu will expand to show you more customization options. Now look toward the top of this expanded window, and you'll see a three-dot icon. Click on those three dots to reveal additional settings. From the menu that appears, select Additional CSS. This opens up a code editor where you can add custom styling and functionality to your site. Here's where we'll make the actual change to disable the password strength meter. I'll be flashing a line of code on screen that you need to enter into this editor. Feel free to pause the video at this point to accurately copy the code and ensure you don't miss anything. Take your time with this step, as getting the code right is important for it to work properly. Once you've added the code into the CSS editor, look down toward the bottom left part of your screen. You should see a button that says Review One Change. Click on this button. A confirmation window will pop up, giving you a final chance to review what you're about to save. Simply click on Save to apply your changes. Your site will process these updates, and once it's done, the password strength meter in WooCommerce will be disabled. And that's it. You've successfully removed the password strength meter from your WooCommerce checkout process, giving your customers a cleaner experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.